we are, it's Johnyboy. We've got the Type 1 in place. 4 inches of compacted sub base, compacted at levels, makes a massive difference. It's so important, okay? If you're using a sub base on your project and you're not sure what the sub base should be, phone up your local aggregate supplier and they'll inform you that you should be using a Type 1 sub base. Type 1, or otherwise known as MOT in civil engineering terms. You can phone up any local supplier, they will tell you what's what. So more or less, we've got the sub base in place, we've compacted it, I've gone over and over again, but what I need to do now, I stand back, I run that string line, I put those straight edges on, and I make sure that the sub base isn't doing this. It needs to be nice and flat, either as a crossfall or as a camber, or depending on how you're going to lay your paving. Sub base is so important. Make sure you've got no soft pockets in the substrate underneath as well. Massively important, it'll make the difference and it'll ensure whether you have success with your patio project.